Good morning, dear friends. 2 days back, I posted a video regarding the judgment of Supreme Court by Honorable Justice Nageshwar and two others, wherein they have directed Kamineni Medical College to give admission to a PG student for the next academic year. But in another case, the three judges bench of Sanjay Kishan Kaur, Dinesh Maheshwari and Rishikesh Rai, they directed IIT Bombay, Indian Institute of Technology Bombay, to give a seat. Of course, as per section 13 of IIT Act, they have got a power to give a superintendent's reservation seat immediately for the boy who missed the chance of getting admission in IIT Bombay by clicking a wrong link. Now, let's go into the details. This boy is by name Siddhant Batra. His both parents died and he was residing in Agra with his grandparents. He was very intelligent, smart in the studies and coming first in the studies, right? So he appeared for the JEE main exams and got the rank of 270. So he got the rank of very good rank, 270 in the entire country. Right, okay, now normally as we know, the people who get that level of ranks, they try to get admissions in IITs only, right? So accordingly, he applied for the IIT seat and IIT Bombay he preferred. He got the provision. He has the mistake done by him is during the application, after completing and in his view, after completing the admission process, he has clicked the option freeze. Everything is freezed. Freeze means normally it will be in the cold state. That means that is over. Freezing. But here what happened is, so he freezed and kept quiet. He was happy that he would get the seat in Bombay because already clicking was done. But incidentally, on 30/9/2020, when he was surfing the IIT portal regarding the admissions, then he was shocked to know that his name stands expelled. That means in which, yes, because of the, on 31/10/2020, when he surfed the net regarding the IIT portal, he came upon to know the declaration that since he freezed, it means that he doesn't like to continue the seat. He wants to withdraw the seat. Right? Therefore, he could not get the seat because of course, we have to admit that he did a mistake. He has clicked the wrong link. But why? We will discuss. Right? Immediately. So, since his name was excluded, then he approached the Bombay High Court and he filed a petition before the High Court. Of course, as usual, they asked gave a notice to the IIT Bombay and they said that since he clicked the link that freeze means I do not want any seat. I want to withdraw the so-called withdraw from the columns so far I have made. That means I do not want this seat. Right? So, the Supreme Court, the High Court of Bombay, of course, they could not do anything. Ultimately, they directed the IIT Bombay that please take the representation from this boy and once again consider according to your formality or your procedure. We all know what will happen. So this man has given a representation. This representation was thrown in the dustbin and they said the process of selection of the candidates or the process of admission is already completed. We can't admit you anymore and you have clicked the wrong button, like that they have concluded. Immediately he filed an SLP before the Honorable Supreme Court of India. It was taken on file as SLP number 14538 by 2020. You can read the case as Siddhant Batra versus Siddhant Batra versus Director IIT Bombay and 2 others 2020. So the SLP was decided on, of course, interim relief was given on 9/12/2020, wherein the Honorable Supreme Court has gone through the record and clearly come to know that it is eventual or inadvertently he clicked the link thinking that the process of admission was completed, and it is in such a confusing or stage. So actually they should not have they should not have kept the link at that particular point of time. They should have already, after the completion process is over, lastly they should have put whether you wanted to freeze or not. If freeze, this thing will happen, like that they have to mention. Without doing anything, just they have simply given the click link of freeze, due to which he has missed the golden chance of getting the seat in IIT Bombay, right? So now the Supreme Court held that even though, right, okay, he has clicked there wrongly, right, he has approached you, then why don't you personally, or why don't you verify the records? Since he has got a 220 rank, which is one of the best ranks, how can you say that you can't give admission? Why are you going to show that strict interpretation of your act? So now, according to the using the powers and according to section 13 of the IIT Act, so the Supreme Court directed the IIT Bombay to grant a superintendent's seat. So, of course, SC also, Supreme Court also directed the IIT Bombay as to how they have completed such confusing or compiled such confusing process. So the process should be clear. After all, they are students, just people who completed intermediate. Can they be having that much of knowledge on the computers? So it's difficult. So ultimately, anyway, it is a happy note that Supreme Court has come to the rescue of the boy and who lost parents and who was staying with his grandparents, and luckily now he could not lose the so-called 1 year. Now he can get admission and he can happily pursue his studies in IIT Bombay. So this is another incident where the Supreme Court has come to the immediate rescue of the boy. Very good judgment. Please read it and get your knowledge enriched by such case laws. Thank you.